A blonde girl walks onto a plane, goes over to her seat, when suddenly she notices a super rich woman going over to first class. Curious, she looks over and sees how much comfier the seats look. She starts to get super jealous, so she decides to walk over and sit down. After a few minutes, a flight attendant walks up to her, looks at her ticket and says, ma'am, this is first class. I'm gonna need you to go back to your seat. The blonde, feeling confident, says, I'm blonde, smart, and make lots of money. I'm not moving until this plane lands in Hawaii. The flight attendant was confused. Just then, another one walks up to them and says, listen, ma'am, if you don't go to the back of the plane, we're gonna have to call the cops. Again, the blonde smirks and says, sorry, I'm way too smart to sit back there. I'll be happy to leave once we land in Hawaii. Both of them are out of ideas, so they go to the co-pilot and tell him what's happening. He walks over to the blonde, leans over, and whispers something in her ear. She immediately stands up, grabs her things, and heads straight back to her seat. Both the flight attendants were speechless. One says, that was amazing. What did you say to her? He says, well, I just told her the front half of the plane wasn't going to Hawaii.